Till a day back, many in the BJP were threatening to give mass resignations over the alliance of the TDP and the BJP. But earlier in the day, the news became public that it was finally a done deal for the general elections 2014. After several days of intense negotiations, today the BJP and TDP have finally declared that they are joining hands for mandate 2014. This is just a day ahead of the general elections. Not only the general elections but also the assembly elections on Andhra Pradesh will be fought by them together. Not only the general elections but also the assembly elections in Andhra Pradesh will be fought by them together.
We welcome you for a historic moment. Last 15-20 days, you were following the negotiations and our talks. Not only both the states, but the whole country was enthused about the result of the negotiations. So the formal announcement of alliance will be made by TDP Supremo Chandrababu Naidu.
As per the alliance, the BJP will contest 8 parliamentary and 47 assembly seats in Telangana. In Simandra, it will contest 5 Lok Sabha seats and 15 assembly seats.
Both the state of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh can exist peacefully and prosper rapidly. So faster growth is our bond together. And therefore, we are confident that with the announcement Chandrababu is going to make, we will achieve 272 plus. That's our confidence.
The TDP parted ways with the BJP in 2004 over the communal riots in Gujarat. Today's tie-up was marred by protests by local TDP leaders outside Naidu's residence in Hyderabad. This at a time when even the BJP had threatened to give in mass resignations. N. Chandrababu Naidu today confirmed the report of an alliance between TDP and the BJP. He said this would help counter many problems in one go.
For the last so many days, for national media and also media persons here, I am repeatedly telling you, any alliance, any political development will be in the national interest. Today we have taken a final decision in the interest of the nation, because the nation for the last 10 years, it is suffering because of Congress party, misrule, inefficient rule and corrupt rule. Because of that, people are suffering. Price rise and also no growth, stagnation growth, no employment, and also inflation. If you see so much of inflation, every person in the country is suffering. So we have to remove Congress. At the end of the day, one aim is corrupt-free India, that is our goal. And also we have to put India on right track, fast growth, that is another angle.
Naidu made a strong appeal for a Congress-free India.
Congress-free India, we have to make it, then only all these problems will be solved. For this, we had an understanding. In Andhra, 5 parliament seats and 15 assembly seats. In Telangana, 8 parliament seats and also 47 assembly seats we agreed. And we are releasing the number. And at the end of the day, with our party units, they will go ahead with the names and also respective constituencies. Our aim is in India, we must have a stable government.
This report was brought to you by NNIS.